Does microwave beeping piss you off too? I like to put food in the microwave, let it run, and then let it cool off for about 15 minutes after it's done cooking. But this thing beeps every minute or every 2 minutes. Just beep, beep, beep. And there's no way to turn it off, which is so stupid. I'm going to show you how to rip the speaker out. So obviously unplug it first, and I already started popping a few screws off, but I'll show you what they are. At least on this one, there's 4 hex screws. One here, 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 and here. Pop those off. And then there was one Phillips screw right here on the side. And then you just kind of wiggle it, and it just pretty much pops off. Like that. And there it is, right there. That little noisy, stupid freaking thing. And once you identify the speaker, just get some pliers. Well, if you're not sure if it's the speaker, do not turn it on. But if you're just a little bit stupid like me, you could just plug it in and then unplug it. Because it'll make a beep, and then you'll be able to isolate where the speaker is coming from. In which case, it's that stupid thing right there. So, again, leave it unplugged. Get some pliers or something. Get on in there. But that's it right there. I just ripped this little stupid speaker off. Annoying fucking thing. And then, now we test. Oh. Sweet silence. No more annoying beeping. Oh my god. That is amazing. Fuck this speaker. No setting to turn it off either. That's so retarded. It's like not even a speaker. It's like just 2 pieces of metal on like flat metal. I don't know. Silent now. Alright, and then obviously reverse process. Put it back together. Leave it unplugged until it's back together, and then you're good to go. And once it's back together, plug it in. No beeping. Wow, that's incredible. Like every 2 minutes, this thing would just beep, beep, beep. For like multiple hours, it will do that. And it's like, I know my food's done. I'm waiting for it to cool off. I'm not going to eat it molting hot right out of the microwave. Unfortunately, some shitty microwaves don't have a setting to turn the stupid beeping off, but there is that option.